Let's take a look at what we have on the board. Evaluate the square root of 45 times the square root of 27 all over the square root of 18. Throughout this month of May, we are going to be discussing solve. For the previous month, we have discussed matrices, we have discussed series and sequence. The month of May, let's see how far we can go in solve as far as grade 12 mathematics is concerned. So we are asked to evaluate this. We are going to still apply the same principle. Break down this, divided by this, okay? So I can write this as this solution. Square root of 45. Square root of 45 can be written as 9 times 5, okay? Times square root of 27 can be written as 3 times 9, okay? Divided by square root of 18 can be written as the square root of 2 times 9. Of course, you can see there is 9 here, there is 9 here, there is 9 here. Okay, so what we need to do is this. This is 9. The square root of 9 is 3. So I can write this as 45 as 3, the square root of what? 5. Okay, times 3, the square root of what? 3. Because the square root of 9 is 3. All divided by this. This is 3, the square root of what? 2. Okay. Now, I can multiply these 2 outside. Okay. Then, I can also multiply the ones inside the square root. So, what the numerator will give me is this 3 times 3 is 9. So, this is equal to 9. The square root of 5 times 3 is what? 15. All divided by what? 3, the square root of what? 2. Okay. Of course, you can see here that this 3 can cancel this 9. So this can go, becomes 3 the square root of 15 all over the square root of what? 2. Now, once you have something like this, it means that the value is not in its basic form. So you need to further break it down. And it is called rationalization. By rationalization, what I mean is this. Multiply the numerator and the denominator by the value of the denominator. So what I need to do here is to multiply the numerator by square root of 2 all over and the denominator by square root of what? 2. Okay. Once I do that, I can multiply this times this. This can give me 3 times the 3 root of 15 times this will give me 3 the square root of what? 30. Okay.